everybody, this is Camille Neri and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see from the title below, we're gonna do the mini Watson's haul and I got all the items for less than 1,000 pesos. By the way guys, these are all skincare products and lahat ko sila new purchases kasi kakapanood ko ng mga recommendations ng mga famous vloggers dito sa Philippines. So if you wanna know what are the things that I got from Watson's, then please keep on watching. Before we start guys, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, I haven't done my skincare lately. 1 week na din kasi talagang pinaplano ko na talaga na prepare ang sarili kong mukha, bagong products na itatry ko. So ayoko naman silang maghalo-halo, baka kung ano pa yung mangyari sa mukha ko. Yan, sobrang excited na akong itry itong mga products na to. Let's start! So ang unang-unang binili ko guys is this Lactacid Baby Bath. First thing na pumasok sa isip ko, kaya ko to binili is dahil pang baby siya. So ibig sabihin, pag mga baby product, lahat yan super mild and delicate lang sa mga skin. And nakita ko din guys sa mga reviews that this is really good for the face daw kasi it has lactoserum and lactic acid extra from the milk. So this is 150 ml guys and I got this for only 154 pesos. And sulit na siya guys kasi ang laki niya na. So meron nito guys 250 ml pero medyo pricey na siya, nasa 300 something na siya. So ito muna yung binili ko kasi gusto ko pa lang naman matry. And please make sure guys na if bibili din kayo nito, make sure you check the labels. Meron din kasing Lactacid na for feminine wash. So it says here, basahin ko na lang guys, that this Lactacid Baby Bath contains natural and mild cleansing ingredients extracted from milk, and daily use of Lactacid Baby Bath maintains the natural acidic pH that keeps skin soft, supple, and smooth. And Lactacid Baby Bath cleanses thoroughly and gently without stripping skin of its natural protective layer. It nourishes and protects baby skin by strengthening its natural defenses. So, direction for use, kailangan nyo siya guys i-shake bago nyo gamitin. And then, you can apply it by hand or by a sponge and have to rinse it thoroughly with water. So, itry natin siya guys buksan. Ang bango niya. So, oops. Ayan. So, may konting thickness. Bumubula-bula siya. And hopefully, this will work. So next thing that I got guys is this Derma Action Plus by Watson's Cleansing Water and this is the variant Moisture Care. And this is a Rehermar Made Me by product and lagi niya itong nire-recommend as in super truly love niya daw to. And meron nito guys color blue pero ito yung kinuha ko, yung Moisture Care na variant kasi I really need hydration for my face kasi super dry talaga yung mukha ko lately. So this is a little bit expensive guys. This is 299 pesos. Pero isipin nyo naman guys, 250 ml na ito. So tingin ko medyo sulit naman siya for the price. Medyo madami na siya and feeling ko pang matagalan din tong gamit. So basahin natin guys yung label. Derma Action Plus by Watson's Cleansing Water Moisture Care. This water-based cleansing water. It is used easily, clean deeply, and removes excess oil and makeup from your face and eye area without leaving behind a greasy residue. It's also hyaluronic acid that helps restore skin moisture and maintain skin softness. And directions for use is pop 2 to 3 times on a cotton pad and gently wipe your entire face. So, hindi na to kailangan i-rinse off guys. So, okay na siya kahit hindi mo siya banlawan ng tubig. So, let's open. Medyo na-excite ako guys sa mga new purchases ko ngayon na products. Kasi kung napansin nyo, lahat siya for hydration talaga. So, ayan siya guys. May arrow siya kung paano siya buksan. So, let's read this. So, ayan siya talaga. Water-based cleansing water nga siya. Parang acetone. Kung amoy niya parang acetone. But ganun. So guys, ang maganda dito is this product is paraben-free, oil-free, alcohol-free, and lahat ng free. So, and third on my list guys is another Rehermar Made Me by product. And this is her recommended Fresh Skin Lab 98 Tomato Glass Skin. So this is a toner guys. So, unlike other toners daw, nabasa ko din sa review guys, na this has a lot more thicker consistency. And galing ako guys sa Thayer's na toner and super the best yun para sa akin. Pero ito-try ko to kasi madami din akong kilala na gumagamit nito and nagustuhan nila to kasi nagbigay daw sa kanila to ng glass skin. skin. So, tingnan natin guys kung kaya niyang tapatan yung Taylor's toner. And I got this small bottle. Nasa 100 ml siya guys, and this is made in Korea. And I got this for 229 pesos only. So the last thing that I got from Watson's guys is the Celatec Dermo Science Hydration Facial Moisturizer with triple moisturizing system. Grabe naman ha. Grabe yung moisturizing. It says here na it has unique hydrogel formulation that provides the skin with optimum hydration without releasing after the feel. Greaseless hydrogel formulation and triple moisturizing system. Ang daming claim ng products. Leaves you with soft, smooth, and supple skin. And namasa ko din sa product na to guys. It claims na makakapagbigay ito ng moisture within 14 days of use. And then this is really perfect for smoothing dry skin. So medyo perfect talaga to sa akin. And a lot of reviews guys ay nabasa ko din sa Beauty Manila na eto lagi daw sold out kasi talagang para sa kanila best moisturizer daw to na affordable na and convenient pa at the same time. And I got this 50 ml tube for only 150 pesos. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and itatry ko guys lahat ng products pero hindi ko sila pagsasabay-sabayin. And itatry ko sila for 1 month and I'll let you know guys kung anong experience ko sa kanila. So yan!